Hello everyone, I'm Jules from TSS, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles lever with blank external 92PZ 215mm screw centres. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, they are supplied boxed with the components inside individually bagged. This is to avoid damage in transit. Inside the box you will receive one accessory pack. This contains two removable spring cassettes, your solid spindle and two sets of fixings, one long and one short. You'll also receive your handle set. These particular handles are available in polished chrome, as you can see in the video, polished brass, silver and black and white. The polished brass, silver and polished chrome are salt spray tested to 240 hours. All handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. So the back plate on these handles is 246mm by 32mm. Your PZ, your centres, is 92mm. Your screw centres, 215mm. Top screw to the centre of the spindle cutout is 75mm, and the base of the Euro cutout to the centre of the bottom screw is 23mm. This is your internal side. This will have the Euro cutout. The external, no Euro cutout, this is the blank side. Thank you for watching.